Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the msvcp110.dll was not found error. So first you want to download and run Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2012. It's normally the first result. And then click download. And then select the x64 one if your operating system is 64-bit. If not, just select x86. And run it. If you already have it installed, you can simply just click repair and it'll fix it for you. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.